Hey y'all, we are going to make Remy, my dog, a birthday cake. So if you want an all natural, cute little birthday cake, come with me and I'll show you how. Add 1 cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, in a separate bowl, add a half a cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie puree. A half a cup of unsweetened applesauce. A 1/4 a cup of natural peanut butter. 1/8 of a cup of oil. And mix that up really good. Add 1 egg. Okay, once you get that mixed up, it should look like this. We're gonna add this to our stand mixer. We are using a cute little heart pan, but this usually makes like a 8 or 9 inch round pan, so spray it really good. Okay, once you spray your pan, add this to your pan and just smooth it around. Have a cute little heart. Good. Set your oven to 350 and put it in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna make the icing. So in a separate bowl, add a half a cup of Greek yogurt, just plain Greek yogurt, a 1/4 a cup of peanut butter, and you just mix that together. This is what it should look like mixed up. I went ahead, added another half a cup of Greek yogurt and another 1/4 a cup of peanut butter, so I just doubled that. And this is what it should look like, kind of like icing. And this is what it looks like.